and be. Oh, and now in return, oh, and go that way so. Oh, and then they will play the violin, play no more in this lonely land. Oh, they never no more, oh, will I play the violin, and no never no more.
Hi, this is James Maloney from Enterprise Ireland, the Project Manager with the Innovation Arena 2018. The Innovation Arena is home to the best projects in agri-technology in Ireland. Today we have over 100 international visitors visiting the Innovation Arena at the National Ploughing Championships. The National Ploughing Championships attracts 300,000 visitors to the show or to the event over 3 days. It is a showcase of Irish agriculture. Our innovations today see developments in farm safety, farm labour efficiency, grass measurement, and new technology and nutrient management on farms. In particular, we see developments from start-up companies and from our established companies, which we believe will have global potential to go across Europe and the world indeed, as far as New Zealand, Australia, Canada and the US. Our agri-tech solutions are born out of a strong agricultural community in Ireland. We produce enough food to feed 35 million, even though we've only a population of 5. And we produce machines that are experts in grass management. We have 1 million hectares of silage in this country, with 81% of our total farmland in grass. Our dairy industry is expanding. We're rising to meet the challenge of the increased demand for milk. And we also have a very vibrant beef sector. Most of our exports heading towards the UK, 50% of our production. In terms of our agri-machinery, it is worth about $250 million to the Irish economy. It is regionally based, so we have companies outside of Dublin, which is important to sustain jobs in rural Ireland. Enterprise Ireland can support people from every level. From start-up companies, we have different funding, and right through to the established companies, we can focus on R&D development and capital expansion. We're here to create more jobs in Ireland and to sustain a vibrant economy, and agri-tech is the future, we feel. As part of this show, we'd like to welcome as many international guests as we can. I'd like to take this opportunity to invite you to come and visit Ireland and the Innovation Arena at the National Ploughing Championships in 2019.
Yes, and it's no, they never. No, never, no more, oh, will I play the wild more, no, never, no more. And in Dublin's the city where the girls are so pretty, I press it my eyes and sweet Molly alone, as she wheeled the wheelbarrow to the streets broad and level, running cockles and mussels and alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, alive. Bring cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh. Well, she was a fishmonger, and sure 'twas no wonder, so was her mother and father before, and they both wheeled their barrows now to the streets broad and low. Bring cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh. Bring cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh. She died of a fever, and no one to save her, and that was the end of sweet Molly Malone. Now her coast wheels are barrel through the streets broad and narrow, bring cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, bring cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh.